Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vertex Manoj Roy. Today we are doing enlargement with matrix transformation. In matrix transformation, in enlargement we have just only one matrix, and the one matrix is K00K, where K is scale factor. The K is scale factor, and when we do the enlargement we also require the center. But remember, when matrix transformation is there, the center will be always origin 0 0. Remember, even if you are doing rotation or enlargement, when we are talking about the matrix transformation, the center will be always origin 0 0. I want to use first of all this, what you have something, the formula of the image in matrix transformation is the image is equals to matrix multiplied by the object. This formula is always used when we are doing matrix transformation, even whatever transformation we are doing, but we have to use image equals to matrix multiplied by the object. This matrix, like, you have to learn, and I have also explained that how we can find the matrices in reflection and in rotation. But in enlargement, we have just only one matrix K00K. For example, like when the scale factor is 2, what is the matrix for enlargement? When the scale factor is 2, this matrix will be 2, 0 and 0, 2. This matrix will be used in enlargement when the scale factor is 2. Even the scale factor is -2 or whatever, what value we have, just put the value here K00K. Okay, we have decided one thing, that in enlargement we have just only one matrix and a scale factor is there. So I want to use this formula here. So for the formula, what is image is equals to matrix multiplied by the object. Okay, now I want to put here the object. Just remember one thing, when you here put the image here, like object here, object coordinates, like suppose I want to use triangle A, B and C. So triangle A, suppose the coordinate of the triangle A is 1 minus 2. So what I will write 1 minus 2 in such way, in vertical way I have to write the coordinates. Then coordinate B 2 and 3, then coordinate 3 1 and 5. Like I'm using one example here. These are the coordinates you have to take out from the triangle or from the grid you have to take out. Now when you do matrix multiplication, you know how to do matrix multiplication. Even if you have problem how to multiply the matrices, you can watch my video in the playlist matrices. Now when we multiply, the result of the image is coming 2 minus 4, 4, 6 and 2, 10. So when it's in the exam it will be given as the triangle ABC mapped onto triangle PQR. So these coordinates are the coordinates of A, B and C. So when you got the result like here, so this will be P, this will be Q and this will be R. So like same thing, ABC and PQR. So you will have the results in this way, and you can write P is 2 comma minus 4, that is P coordinate, Q coordinates and R coordinates. So this is the way we can do the matrix transformation in enlargement. Even whatever, like I told you this, when we have matrix transformation you have to use this formula. Yes. Now what I'm doing next is how we can decide that what type of scale factor we have in the exam. Like when object image both are given, the requirement in the exam to write the matrix of this transformation. So I'm going to do that one. So how we can find the matrix when the object image both are given and we need to find the matrix. Okay, I have divided into 4 cases. The case 1 is this, when center E, object and the image. Just think about it. This is very important. I think so when you watch this cases, like 4 cases, then there will be no problem in enlargement. I think so this is the most important part of the enlargement here. Center, you can see the center is in left hand side, object is in the middle and image is in right hand side. Or one more thing, the size of the image is large. This is the case 1 I have made. Like in case 1, the center, object, image in this position and size is large. Even I can show you example here. Like you can see center is here, like your center in left hand side, object and image, and the image is what? Large. This situation, when we have this situation, please remember like how we can decide the value of K, the scale factor is positive or negative or fraction or not in fraction. So first of all, when the size of the image is large, it will be always not in fraction. Like any integer, it can be plus or it can be minus. One thing, one more important thing, where is the position of center? Do we have center in the middle? No, center is not in the middle. Remember, center here, the center is in left hand side or in the right hand side, whatever, but not in the middle. It means the k will be always positive, but when the large, not fraction, not in fraction. This is very important thing I want to discuss. The first case that the center is here, object is here, image is in right hand side, like same side, and center is not in the middle. So that's why we have k positive. And if I want to find the matrix for this, okay, what's the formula to find the matrix? Like a scale factor. The scale factor formula is image distance divided by object distance. Now, image distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2. 6 upon 2 is what? 3. Okay. When scale factor is coming 3, what is the matrix for like transformation? K 0, 0, K? That will become like this. 3, 0, 0, 3 is the matrix for this transformation when size is large. Okay. Now, I want to move to case 2 now. In case 2, I have made in such a way the center is in between the object and the image, in the middle. Like when it is in the middle, like the size is large, size is also large. So now, what situation we have when the center is in between object and image? And remember, in matrix transformation, the center is always origin. So now, shape of like I have made the figure that center is in the middle, object in right hand side or image in left hand side. I mean opposite sides. It is also possible the object here, image here, there is no problem, but the center is in the middle and the size is large. What type of scale factor do we have? Can you write? Can you think about it? Yes. Whenever this image like center is in between object and image, k is always negative. Please remember, k is negative, and the image is large, it will not be in fraction. So what? K is negative and not in fraction. Okay. Now, we understood that in case 2, when the center is in between object and image, the scale factor is negative and not in fraction. Can you find the scale factor here? Okay, let's see. The scale factor, image distance divided by object distance, and we have one more formula. Distance of center from the image and from the object. So here, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, 1, 2. 4 upon 2 is what? 2. So scale factor of this question is coming 2. So it's negative 2. So what is the matrix for this? The matrix is minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2. That is the way we can write the matrix. Now I have case 3 with you, for you. Case 3, I have decided that the center is not in middle, but the image is now in the middle, but the size is small. Size is small, and this situation, and just please remember, like this type of question, we have one typical, I have found in examination about 2-3 questions very difficult in last 10 years. Like we have to use the positions to decide the scale factor negative or positive. Okay, size is small. So what type of shape we have here? Right here we can see center, then image is here, then object. It means the image is coinciding, like small becoming, right? So what we have to use here, like small. So what is k? First of all, we have to decide k is negative or positive. Do we have center in the middle? This center in the middle? No. When the center of enlargement is between object and image, the k will be negative. But here k is not negative, k is positive. But small means your answer will be in fraction. This is given positive but in fraction. Remember, small means you have the answer positive but in fraction. So now, what we have to do, can you find the scale factor here to get the matrix here? Image is this, image distance is 1, 2. Image distance is 2 and object distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 upon 6 is 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 means your matrix will be 1 upon 3, 0, 0, 1 upon 3. That's the way we can find the matrix when we have this situation. I have one more case with you. For you, this case 4 is the center of enlargement is in between the object and the image, but One more thing, the large, we had the large size. Now we have small image, that is here we can see. Object is bigger, image is smaller, and center is in between. So I've told you, whenever the center of enlargement is between object and image is always negative on, and the small means in fraction. So negative and fraction, that is a way that we have to decide when the center of enlargement is between object and image. It means scale factor is negative, but it's in fraction. Why? Because we have small image means your answer will be in fraction. When you have large size of the image, your answer will be not in fraction, but you have to decide or positive or negative. Negative is only possible when the center is between object and image. Now can you write the matrix for this? Okay, image distance is here 1 2 3 4 5. 5. Object distance 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 5 upon 10 is 1 upon 2, negative. So what's the matrix? The matrix is negative 1 upon 2 0 0 1 negative 1 upon 2. So if this was the last video for the enlargement to complete. So if you want to understand more videos about the enlargement, you should watch my previous videos. But these are the 4 cases I have discussed with you. So we have done the enlargement.